Hello everyone, my name is Nikita Chaudhary and I'm currently pursuing my data analysis course. I come from a non-technical background. I have done my B Pharmacy degree. So in the beginning, I was a little scared in doing this data analytics course. But since after I joined the course, everything is becoming easy step by step. And in this course, I'm learning Python, SQL, Tableau, Power BI, and Advanced Excel. These topics are covered very efficiently in the course, so it has become easy for me to understand even though I am from a non-technical background. The faculty is very friendly and supportive, and they explain each and every topic in a very simple way and always help whenever we have any doubts. Apart from that, we also have practical training and we also work on real time projects, which is helping us in improving our skills and confidence. And now I'm feeling more confident about the data analytics course and to start my career in this. So my experience has been very good so far, and I would like to recommend this course to other students as well, especially the students who are from a non-technical background like me. Thank you.